Welcome to MarineMax Huntington. My name is James Duncan. Today we're going to walk through a 2025 Scout 240 Dorado that is here in stock. Starting here off the swim platform, we have Mercury's 300 V8. We have a full swim platform walkthrough. You can easily get from the port to starboard side with this boat. Ski tow bar on this one. We have a live well. 240 Dorado gives you plenty of seating in the cockpit. Both of these seats will fold up. Port side seat here. You can move it so you could sit facing aft. We have a cooler underneath the port side seat. Starboard side, deck brush, fishing pole underneath the starboard side gunnel here. Pull out Yeti cooler. Just want to show you this very easy access to your bilge compartment. Everything is finished nice and neat in there. We have a fold out table here, starboard side. Helm chair swings around. Give you a nice family seating area. A sink, a nice countertop. Port and starboard side helm chairs. Storage floor access. Here at the helm we have a 12-inch Garmin display, a Mercury 4-inch vessel view module, Fusion stereo head unit, your Mercury control, and a nice glove box. Port side head compartment. See, we have the bow and cockpit cover in there right now. This boat just came in from the factory. Storage underneath the starboard side console. Nice large fold out windshield. Keep everybody protected and out of the elements. And then moving up to the bow. We have the bow filler cushion in right now. We have a cup holder, port and starboard side. And then we have the cup holder / rod holders. Anchor hatch. That's going to be it for today's walkthrough. Give us a call at MarineMax Huntington. Thank you.